In this video, I will show you how to file an insurance claim on USPS.com. What you need to do is simply gather all of your documents like the 13-digit tracking number, proof of value like receipts or invoice, evidence of insurance, etc. You also need to ensure that the claim must be filed within 15 to 60 days of mailing date. After that, simply open up Chrome or any web browser. Now in the search bar, search for USPS, then click on it. Now click on this three-line menu bar in the top left corner. Click on Sign In. From here, sign in to your account by putting in the username, password. From there, you can submit all of the details like tracking number, shipping date, receipt details. And after that, upload all of your attachments like invoice, receipts, etc. Then simply click on review and submit. After that, your insurance claim will be filed. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.